Hi, hello, good wishes to everyone. Welcome back to our social class. See, in this session, we are going to learn about that is land and ocean. Yes, this is your geography second lesson, that is land and ocean. See, already we have learned about the introduction, that is in part 1 and part 2. We have learned the introduction and the first order landforms. Yes, see, we are having three orders in landforms. Yes, so in the previous video we have learned about the first order landforms. Yes, so in this video, that is in this session, we are going to learn about the second order landforms. Yes, so what we are going to learn, that is second order landforms. Yes, so we are having three orders in landforms. Yes, so here second order landforms. See what the second order landforms consist of. Yes, see mountains. Yes, so mountains consist of, that is plateaus, plains. Yes, so second order landforms, that is explains, refers, see about mountains. Yes, and mountains consist of plateaus, plains. Yes, so this is a second order landforms. Yes, let's see deeply. Yes, let's see about the mountain. See mountain, already you knew that this mountain means that is hills area, Malaigal. Yes, so Malaigal சார்ந்த இடம். Yes, so which is based on, that is hill area, this hills area and mountain place. Yes, see here. Yes, I have drawn the mountain here. See, mountain is the sources of river. First we know that, see, mountains are the sources of river. River means what? Yes, so it is the sources of river, the main thing of mountain. Yes, see next, in mountains, the landform raises 600 meter above its surroundings. Yes, so see here, landform, that is nila அமைப்பு, it raises 600 meter above its surroundings. Yes, see how it is. Yes, next, and it has steep slope. That is steep means vertical, not horizontal. Yes, it is செங்குத்து. We used to say, yes, not in horizontal. Yes, so it has steep slope. Yes, so that is the speciality of this landform which is present in, that is mountain. Yes, and it found in, that is landform in mountains, that is it's always found in isolation or in groups. Yes, it may vary. Yes, it is found in that is isolation or in groups. Yes, so that is about the, that's all about the landform in mountains. Yes, see, let's see about the mountain range. What is mountain range? See, mountain means, you know that that's hills. Yes, so you know that that is the chillest one. Yes, chillest place, that is we are residing, the people are used to go to visit the mountain. Yes, so you know that. So mountain range, it always explain its range. Yes, see, mountain means, you know that that is hills area. Then mountain range means it always explain its range. Yes, see, it is used for, that is extend for larger area. Yes, that is known as what? Mountain range. See, what is mountain range? It always extend for larger area. That is known as mountain range. Only it will extend for the larger area alone. Yes, so that is known as mountain range. And its range, see, what is the mountain's range? It always, that is it always extends hundreds or thousands of kilometer. That is the range of mountain. Yes, so it always what? Stretch. Yes, it extends. It always stretch its range in hundreds or thousands of kilometer. That is the mountain's range. Yes, so that's all about the range, right? See here, mountain, that is consist of three types. We are having three mountains. Yes, see what are they? Himalayas, Rocky, Andes. Yes, so Himalayas, Rocky, Andes. See where it is located. Let's see that Himalayas located in Asia. Yes, then Rocky Mountain is located in North America. Yes, then Andes Mountain is located in South America. Yes, and see its range is 7,000 kilometer. Right, its speed, its range. See, that is Andes Mountain's range, that is 7,000 kilometer. It is located in South America, and Andes Mountain is the longest range in the world. That is in the world, Andes Mountain is the longest range. That is mountain. Yes, so Andes Mountain is the longest range in the world. Yes, so that's all about the kinds of mountain. Yes, we are having, there is 3 types of mountains, that is Himalayas, Rocky, Andes, and among these 3, Andes mountain is the longest mountain. Yes, so that's all about the mountain ranges. See, let's see about, see, we are having highest point. See what, that is what it refers. Highest point means the highest point of mountain we called as peak. Yes, highest point of mountain, it is named as peak. And see, the Mount Everest is the, there is peak in the largest peak in the world. Yes, see the range 8,848 meter. Yes, so 8,848 meter. It is the range of Everest peak. Yes, and this is the longest, that is longest peak in the world. Yes, the largest peak in the world. Yes, so highest point of mountain is named as peak, and Mountain Everest, that is Mount Everest, is the largest peak in the world. Yes, see, and its ranges, see here 8,848 meter. So that is the range of Mount Everest. Yes, so keep it in your mind always, 8,848 meter. That's the range of Mount Everest peak. Yes, so peak means what? Highest point of mountain. That is named as peak. And see here, see, that is mountain always provides shelter to the flora and fauna. See, what is meant by flora and fauna? See, flora means flowers. Yes, flora means what? Flowers. And fauna. Fauna means what? Animals. Yes. So that is the similar. That is the differentiation of flora and fauna. Yes. So it always, that is mountain always provides shelter to the flora and fauna. Flora means flowers and fauna means animals. Right. So that is the speciality of that mountains. Then tourism. See, tourism. See, tourism provides, that is the activity of people. Yes, always it is, tourism is an important activity of people while talking about the mountain. Yes, see, mountain, the always people used to visit the mountain. Yes, they don't like to live in that place. Yes, they always used to visit that place. Yes, so it is the activity of people, important activity of people, rare activity of people. Yes, so tourism, it always mention the important activity of people while talking about the mountain. Yes, so these are all the activities of speciality of mountain. That's it. See, at last, finally, hill stations. So we are having, that is 5 hill stations in, that is mountains. Yes, see, what are they? Udagamandalam, Kodaikanal, Kolli Hills, Yerkad, Elagiri. Yes, so what are they? See, I am repeating to recall you. See, hill stations. What are the hill stations we are having? That is Udagamandalam, Kodaikanal, Kolli Hills, Yerkad, Elagiri. Yes, so these 5 are the hill stations we are having. Yes, yes. So these are the hill stations. Keep it in your minds. Let me repeat: Udagamandalam, Kodaikanal, Kolli Hills, Yerkad, Elagiri. Yes, so these are the hill stations. Yes, see, already mountain is the chillest place. Yes, it always provides a cool. Yes, that is chillness. Yes, that is happy mood, happy situation. Yes, so we always used to, yes, keep visit in mountains. So that is the important activity of people. That is for us. Yes, so these are all the, that is second order landforms. So another one landform is there, that is third order landform is there. So let's see in the future coming video. Yes, so thank you for being a part of the session. Thank you.